when you talk about nanotechnology, especially when it comes to dentistry,
Mm.
as you mentioned that you've conducted a green approach with Prof. Adam during your master's, your MSc project. When you compare green approaches as opposed to conventional approaches of nanotechnology or the creation of nanomaterials, which one, in your opinion, is more beneficial for a patient?
Question is with quite a caution, Prof.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
You're a true scientist.
Mine was a single project, a
Okay.
single material. I can say
Yeah,
a single experience. It cannot
I
be used
get you.
as a universal response to say that one methodology is superior
Yes.
over the other or superior to the
Yeah.
other, but it highlighted better presentation in terms of certain properties like compatibility and
Yes.
safety,
I get
you
it.
know.
I get you. I
But
get
still,
you.
green nanotechnology, in my observation, it has quite a few challenges, particularly when it comes to mass
Itself.
itself.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So again, as I would say, things need to be discussed.
Mm,
Research questions need to be asked, and follow-up questions need to
yeah.
be asked to see how we can better build on
Yeah.
the research to have a more meaningful or something that can now be translated into a proper solution.
Yes. 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 Yes.
So, if I may add up a little bit on maybe nanotech and maybe dentistry or restorative dentistry in particular,
Yeah.
there's quite a potential,
Mm,
you
mm,
know,
mm, 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 mm.
there's quite a potential, green or non-green, but there's quite a potential,
Mm,
maybe,
mm, mm.
and there is a big possibility rather than a promise for these
Get.
materials.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
For example, I want you to take this as an example again. A tooth filling or a restoration in the mouth has a very demanding environment to function in.
Mm.
Meaning, every day, for example, if a tooth is filled with a certain material, you know, every day that material is exposed to chewing forces, temperature changes, moisture in the mouth, acids, the microorganisms in the mouth, repeated mechanical stresses, and it has to withstand that environment for years to say this was this is a good restorative
Yes.
material or this is a good restoration.
Yeah.
So, as a researcher, thinking from a research perspective, it is important to ask ourselves that is nanoscale engineering helping us to develop materials with better properties, better suited for these challenges or this environment in the oral cavity?
Yes. 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 Yes.
For
Yes. Yes.
example, we might hope to improve mechanical strength, or we might hope to improve the wear resistance. We might
Mm.
hope to improve bonding properties of the material. And in that way, that will make that material inherently better, you know?
Mm. 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 Mm.
So it is those important translations or those important observations
Mm.
that may in future with follow-up research can help a smooth transition into clinical performance.
Mm. 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 Mm.
There's
Mm.
an